Hello and welcome. In this episode, I'm showing to you how we can generate customized speech voices for Arduino Toki library. This library uses the Texas Instruments technology using the linear predictive coding technique to generate the voices like the speech synthesis. Here we can use any one of these three tools to generate the customized voices: the Python Wizard or the Blue Wizard or the QBox Pro. But here we use the Python tool, and then we connect the speaker on pin 3 and the ground. Here we start by installing Python. Then we make a virtual environment to install the SciPy library. Here we type this command to activate the virtual Python environment. Then we can install the SciPy Python library. Installed. Then we go to the Python Wizard directory and then run the Python Wizard GUI interface -f Arduino to generate the code into Arduino format. And then we load the audio file. Loaded. Here is converted to LPC format. Then we press Ctrl+C to copy the codes and then paste them. And now we paste the file we have copied, and then we make the header of the variable. We copy this header and then paste it, then name it a new variable, let's say salam, and then we call that voice by the function voice.say_salam in the same variable name. We also must make sure that there's a semicolon at the end of this definition. That's it. Let's try it with the circuit and the headphone or the audio amplifier. And now in this video, we've seen how we can generate customized Arduino Toki library voices using Python Wizard tool to generate voices for Toki library using the linear predictive coding technology. So we can generate customized voices in any language or any words we can use in our applications. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.